Hello. I still cannot show you the inside of the catalog until May 3rd. Okay? But this is coming to you. Okay. So I made Happiness Abounds. Let's zoom in. Okay. Sending many thanks for all you do. Congratulations. You are wonderful in every way. Wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. Friend, best wishes. Happy birthday. And then there's roses and leaves and little frilly stuff. It is a photopolymer. And these are the dyes that go with it. This is a dye that will not I will tell you in a minute. These are dyes. So there's the rose, there's the little flower, there's the big flower, there's the mini leaves and the mini leaves and the big rose. And this one, and this one, and this one. Okay? So if blossoming happiness dies. And these we got for free because they were free. Okay, let's look at the paper. Hues of happiness. So this is the first side. This is the second side. Oh, I need to zoom out. So this is the first side. This is the second side. This is the first side. Beautiful. So many flowers. So many flowers. And these are all like mishmash. First side, second side, rainbow. And there's 12 in each page. So you can see. Okay, let's check out the card. This is this right here. It does a little it's solid. And I did this one. Oh, let me zoom in. This is solid. You can flip up the of the leaves. There's 3 little dots in here. And I did all the roses. Happy birthday. You are so wonderful in every way. You are wonderful in every way. So I did this in blue. I did this one in purple because I have Highland Heather and Rich Ravelberry. Wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. Let's make a card. Okay, first off, I need to do my sentiment. Oh, crap. Okay, so I'm going to use Tahitian Tide, which is new in color. Highland Heather. And I use this to get the redness off. Highland Heather. Melon Mambo. We used to sell that, but no more. And Rich Ravelberry. I gotta get the redness off. Okay. I'm going to use this little so you can color your photopolymers. And huff on them. And then I'm using the in colors. This is Parakeet Party, the new in colors. I keep and this is Orchard Oasis. I keep pulling. Okay, so this is gonna go on this. Let me I have a 1/8 inch inch I don't need to be doing that. So 1/8 inch all the way around. I don't think I'm gonna need this. I think I'm going to put some so you see the 3 little I'm just gonna put that there. Sending you many thanks for all you do. Let me zoom out. Sorry, my desk is pretty messy. So those are all the cards. 5 in tow. Happy birthday, friend. Sending you many thanks. You are wonderful in every way. Wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. Thank you for joining me. And have a happy weekend. And have a happy Friday.